I happen to be in London right now, so let's see if I can get a vlog going on. Landed maybe 4 hours ago, took a nap for 2 hours. Now walking to hopefully something fun. And there's the famous London Bridge, y'all. That's the London Bridge. I'm supposed to be walking to this event. It's usually a market, but now it's a cook-off. Not sure what the cook-off entails, if I have to buy a ticket or whatnot, but I'm gonna go to that area. That's usually a cool spot to hang out in and see if this cook-off is decent. Almost near Perfect Street. Nice and quiet, off a busy road. Row houses all attached, different colors. Everyone has a stoop. Narrow street. I like it. This is new to me, so let's try it. Tropical rhythms, reggae, melody. A little intolerant to bananas, and I failed to look to see that this has banana in it. First thing just made me choke because it's kind of chalky. Whatever texture this is, whatever flavor this is odd. I'm gonna have a few more gulps to see if I can hold it down, but I'm not liking it so far. All right, I found it. Let's see what the entry's like. Let's see what the rest of it's like. All right, I hear music. Just left the cook-off after having that free food, and coming up to the place where I thought the original market or hopping spot was gonna be, it said online, it says closed, but I don't think it's closed.
Joining the group.
A beautiful Kyoto mojito. All right, let's head into town. And there's the famous London Bridge, y'all. That's the London Bridge. London Bridge. London Bridge. London Bridge. But that's the Tower Bridge. London Bridge. That's the Tower Bridge.